how engineers do it.
Welcome to another video on how engineers do it. In this video, I'm going to show you a trick in Excel which I wish I had known earlier. It is about identifying those sheets in Excel which sometimes we have created over a period of time and then we are unable to delete when we don't know if there is a reference in that. Let me just give you a little bit of context. You can see employee 1 data, employee 2 data, and there are reference 1, reference 2, reference 3. Right? Like in employee 2 data, it's taking the country details from the reference sheet. Now, over a period of time, this is just an example which I created to demonstrate this, but over a period of time, we might have more reference sheets. Now, let's say in this reference 1 sheet, how do I know if any of the other sheets are taking any data from this reference sheet or not, or if this is a duplicate sheet now? How do I recognize that? Now, this is a really easy trick. Now, what you've got to do is, when I tried finding it, we had options like, show formulas, which all these things does not really work out. What really works is you can go for Control F, and in Control F, what you can do is whatever sheet that you are planning to delete, you put that exact sheet name over here and select within workbook. It usually defaults to sheet, put it in workbook and select the option called as formulas. Now click on find all. Now if you don't get anything, you couldn't find anything that you were looking for, it means that this sheet is safe to delete. There is nothing that it is referencing to. Now let's see in reference 3 sheet. Let's do the same thing. In reference 3, if I go for find all, you can see reference 3 is also safe to be deleted. There is nothing which is there. Now let's go for reference 2. Now if I just click on find all, you can see that reference 2 is the actual sheet where things are getting referenced. Now even if now you can see multiple entries, so this particular sheet is referencing to reference 2 sheet multiple times, right? Now let's do a little bit of test over here, right? Let's see, I'm referencing data to be sent. I'm referencing some data from reference 3, right? Now previously in our test, it was shown that reference 3 sheet is safe to delete. Now let's see if it is telling you the same thing. Control F, now I'm going for ref 3, and if I am searching find all, you can see that there is a reference and it is sitting in the data to be sent sheet, right? So this is the easiest method and it is a ninja technique, and I wish I had known this earlier, so I just wanted to share with all of you guys. Thank you so much and stay tuned.